Hi, this is Stefan, the BMW DIY Guy here today, and the project that we're going to be working on is the Injen intake for an F82 M4. This is in collaboration with Mike of Extreme Powerhouse, which really should be one of your best one-stop shops to go for power and performance increases in your car. Plus, candidly, Mike is a great guy to work with, very knowledgeable, and really has been a pleasure. So I highly recommend them. This project should bring a very slight power increase depending on what you read. You might get a little bit, you might not. I've seen a little bit of power increase when I've added intakes to my cars before. This will also change the sound of your car a little bit, and it also brings the opportunity that you have washable air filters, which is actually pretty nice. I usually set up about once a year, and so when I do the install, whether it's in spring or summer, whatever it happens to be, I'll just set up that time and I'll remember, oh, here we are a year later, it's spring, and I'll pull my filters out and wash them, set them out to dry, install them once they're dry, or reinstall them once they're dry. Make sure to read all the cleaning instructions before you do so. Sometimes they can be really specific on how you handle them, but all in all, it's very, very simple. This is a really straightforward project and is a great thing to do, and especially to install into what a magnificent car like an F82 M4. Really, I am deeply impressed by the car, and these performance increases that you can make in working with someone like Mike from Extreme Powerhouse, you can make tremendous changes that are actually really, really simple, and you will notice as you drive it. So let's get out to the garage and let's get this project done.